Simple crisp blanched choy recipe. Bring water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and a splash of cooking oil. Blanch the stalks for 1 minute. Then toss the whole choy in boiling water for another 30 seconds. Drain thoroughly and arrange neatly on a plate. Grab minced garlic and shredded chili in a bowl beforehand. Pour hot oil right over them to bring out rich aroma. Toss in low-sodium light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little water. Stir it up evenly. Drizzle that sauce all over the choy sum. This tender blanched choy sum's done. Then serve and enjoy. Delicious stir-fried poached eggs with green peppers. Heat oil in a wok, crack eggs in and fry them into poached eggs. Cook until the bottom turns golden and slides easily. Flip over and fry both sides golden brown, then set aside. Keep a little oil in the wok. Stir-fry green peppers, red peppers, and minced garlic until aromatic. Add a pinch of salt and stir well. Put the fried poached eggs back in the wok. Add a splash of water, low-sodium light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Toss gently so the eggs soak up all the sauce, then it's ready to serve. Savory, satisfying, and utterly mouth-watering. Pan-fry the luncheon meat until golden and set aside. Arrange shredded cheese in a ring in the pan. Crack an egg in the center. Cook over medium-low heat until the cheese melts. Shape gently and pierce the yolk. Cover with pre-prepared ciabatta. Flip and cook for another 20 seconds, then turn off the heat. Top with lettuce and fried luncheon meat. Fold gently with a spatula. And there you go, a super easy, tasty breakfast or brunch dish ready to enjoy. Low-calorie, cucumber and carrot stir-fried shrimp. Toss prepared shrimp with sea salt, black pepper and starch. Mix well. Marinate for 5 minutes. Boil water. Add salt and oil. Blanch cucumber and carrot for 1 minute. Then drain. Heat oil in a pan. Stir-fry shrimp until pink. Add minced green onion and garlic. Stir-fry until fragrant. Add blanched veggies. Season with salt, sugar, and chicken powder. Stir-fry quickly on high heat. Add starch water. Stir-fry until sauce thickens. Then serve. High protein, low calorie, and light. Ideal for fat loss. Chop lettuce into small pieces. Crack 3 eggs. Separate the egg whites and yolks. Beat the yolks. Add lettuce and a pinch of salt to the egg whites. Mix well. Spray oil in the pan. Pour in the egg white lettuce mixture. Cook until set. Then slowly roll from one end. Pour in the egg yolk. Cook until half set. Then slowly roll up again. Cook fully. Take it out. Cut into pieces and enjoy. Easy low-cal lettuce egg roll. Done. Heat oil in a wok. Add 4 eggs. Stir-fry until set, then set aside. Put in minced green onions and garlic. Then add green and red peppers. Stir-fry on high heat until slightly soft. Add bean sprouts. Stir-fry until tender. Add the eggs back. Add a little salt, chicken powder, and light soy sauce. Stir-fry quickly to mix well, and it's ready to serve. This dish is crispy, tasty, and super delicious with rice. Super easy soy sauce braised chicken thighs, absolutely mouth-watering. Place chicken thighs skin side down and sear until golden brown. Then flip. Toss in ginger and green onions. Pour in some Chinese rice wine, light soy sauce, a splash of dark soy sauce, and add 1 piece of rock sugar. Cover and simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. Turn to high heat to thicken the sauce, and keep spooning the sauce over the chicken to coat evenly. Done. Juicy, flavorful soy sauce chicken thighs ready to enjoy. Give it a go. Stuff ground pork into eggplant. This popular new eggplant recipe is unfamiliar to many people. Cut fresh eggplant into thick slices and scoop out the inner flesh. Chop the removed eggplant flesh and combine it with ground pork. Add carrots and green onions, ground pepper, salt, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, egg white, and starch. Finish with sesame oil. Stir well in one direction. Place hollow eggplant rings in a pan. Then add cooking oil. Fill each ring with pork filling. Pan fry over low heat until golden brown on both sides. This stuffed eggplant tastes amazing. Give it a try. Pan-fried boneless chicken thighs. Grab 2 boneless thighs. Season with ginger, scallions, rice wine, white pepper, and a pinch of salt. Marinate 20 minutes. Heat a pan. Lay chicken skin side down. Let the skin fry slowly to turn golden and crisp. Flip and cook to 2/3 done. Slice into pieces right in the pan. Add white scallion parts. Stir fry till fragrant. Drizzle low-sodium light soy sauce and oyster sauce. Toss on high heat. Add green scallions. Quick stir and serve. Juicy chicken that pairs perfectly with rice. Heat oil in a wok. Stir-fry garlic and dried chilies until fragrant. Add cabbage and stir-fry until softened. Season with salt and soy sauce. Toss all the cabbage thoroughly over high heat for a few seconds. Then pour in vinegar. Mix everything evenly before serving. Crisp, spicy, sour, and super appetizing. This tomato and egg noodle tastes absolutely amazing. Heat oil in the pan. Scramble the beaten eggs and set them aside. Add a little more oil to the pan. Toss in minced garlic and green onion chili powder. Stir until fragrant. Fry the tomatoes until they start to soften and release juice. Season with a pinch of salt, sugar, chicken powder, and light soy sauce. Then pour in plenty of boiling water. Put the eggs back in the pot. Add pre-cooked noodles and some greens. Simmer for 30 seconds and it's ready to serve. Tangy, spicy broth coats every noodle, simple yet delicious.